Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Ever struggled with limited space in your home garage? Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best car storage lifts for home garages. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to maximize your space or simply need better organization, these lifts are game changers. From compact designs to heavy-duty options, there's something here for every garage size and vehicle type. Imagine effortlessly storing multiple cars without sacrificing floor space. Stick around as we explore their features, benefits, and how they can transform your garage into a functional automotive haven. Ready to take your garage to the next level? Check the link in the description below for more details on where to find these amazing car storage lifts. Number 1. Quickjack 5000 TL, the ultimate portable car lift designed for effortless vehicle maintenance right in your home garage or shop. With a robust 5,000 pounds lifting capacity, this 110V AC-powered unit makes lifting your vehicle a breeze. The Quickjack 5000 TL comes equipped with a convenient remote pendant control featuring a generous 13-foot cord, allowing you to operate the lift with ease from a safe distance. One of the standout features of the Quickjack 5000 TL is its ability to lift an entire vehicle using OEM-recommended lifting points, ensuring a secure and stable lift every time. Whether you're performing oil changes, tire rotations, or more extensive mechanical work, this lift provides the versatility and strength needed for a wide range of automotive tasks. Safety is paramount with the Quickjack 5000 TL, as it is recommended for use only on flat surfaces, ensuring stability and preventing any risks associated with slopes greater than 3 degrees. Ideal for home garages and smaller workshops, the Quickjack 5000 TL offers a compact yet powerful lifting solution that doesn't compromise on performance. Its portability means you can easily store it when not in use, freeing up valuable space in your garage. If you're looking for one of the best 4-post car lifts for home garage use, the Quickjack 5000 TL stands out for its reliability, ease of use, and impressive lifting capacity. Upgrade your DIY automotive projects with the Quickjack 5000 TL and experience the convenience of professional-grade lifting power at your fingertips. Number 2. Triumph NSS 8,000 pounds 4-post storage service car auto lift truck hoist, the ultimate solution for maximizing your home garage space while ensuring top-notch vehicle maintenance capability. With an impressive overall height of 84 inches and an extensive overall length of 175 inches, this lift provides ample room to securely store your vehicles without sacrificing precious floor space. The generous drive-through width of 93 inches and runway length of 165 inches offer exceptional accessibility and versatility for various vehicle sizes and types. One of the standout features of the Triumph NSS 8 is its ability to effortlessly lift vehicles weighing up to 8,000 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of cars and trucks. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability, crucial for long-term use in a home garage setting. The design includes safety locks at multiple positions, ensuring peace of mind when working under lifted vehicles. This lift not only enhances your garage's storage capacity by allowing you to park one vehicle underneath another but also facilitates easier access for maintenance tasks such as oil changes, brake inspections, and tire rotations. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and automotive professionals alike, the Triumph NSS 8 stands out among the best 4-post car lifts for home garages due to its combination of strength, safety features, and space-saving design. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to work on your collection of classic cars or a mechanic needing a reliable lift for daily repairs, this product delivers on both functionality and practicality. Invest in the Triumph NSS 8 to elevate your garage to new heights of efficiency and convenience, transforming it into a workshop where automotive dreams become reality. Number 3. XK 10,000 pounds car lift auto lift L1100 2-post lift, a robust choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking premium performance in their home garage. Boasting a lifting capacity of 10,000 pounds, this lift ensures reliable support for a wide range of vehicles, from cars to trucks. Its 220V60HZ 1PH3 HP motor, equipped with a recommended 30A breaker, delivers powerful performance, supported by a hydraulic system requiring 3 to 5 gallons of AW32/AW46 oil. Safety features abound with double-point safety lock releases, automatic arm lock restraints, and a relief valve in the power pump to prevent overloading, ensuring secure operations at all times. Constructed with durability in mind, the XK 10,000 pounds car lift features a stiffened baseplate and high-quality steel components throughout, including manganese plate Q345 arms. Smooth operation is guaranteed by ultra-high molecular self-lubricating nylon sliders, facilitating seamless carriage movement. Adjustable front and rear arms accommodate various vehicle sizes, with optional 4-inch tall truck adapters available for added versatility. Installation specifics include a concrete requirement of 6-inch at 3,500 psi, accommodating vehicles over 9,000 pounds, and door guards for added protection during use. Ideal for home garages, this lift combines robust engineering with user-friendly features, making it one of the best 4-post car lifts for home garage setups. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional looking to upgrade your workspace, the XK 10,000 pounds car lift ensures efficiency, safety, and reliability, backed by a generous 36-month warranty that covers all customers. Unlock the potential of your garage with this exceptional auto lift, designed to elevate your automotive maintenance experience effortlessly. Number 4. A+ Lift HW8 SXLT 8000 LB Extra Tall Extra Long Extra Wide 4-Post Portable Storage Service Car Lift, a powerhouse addition to any home garage or workshop. Boasting an impressive 8,000-pound lifting capacity and an industry-leading 3-year warranty valued at $499, this lift is built for reliability and durability. Its generous dimensions include a drive-through width of 99 inches and a lifting height of 82 inches, with overall dimensions measuring 190 inches in length, 112 inches in width, and 94 inches in height. Included with the HW8 SXLT are essential accessories like a free caster kit, jack tray, drip trays, removable approach ramps, and a power cord, ensuring immediate functionality upon setup. The lift features a CE-certified structure and hydraulic system, rigorously tested to handle 115% of its dynamic load capacity and 150% of its static load capacity, ensuring robust performance and safety during operation. What sets this model apart is its revolutionary high-efficiency 110V 1.5 HP hydraulic power unit, designed for quieter operation and enhanced energy efficiency. Ideal for enthusiasts looking for the best 4-post car lifts for home garage use, the A+ Lift HW8 SXLT combines premium build quality with practical features that facilitate ease of use and safety. Whether you're servicing vehicles or need extra storage space, this lift offers the versatility and reliability needed for any automotive project. With its comprehensive warranty and thoughtful design, the A+ Lift HW8 SXLT stands out as a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike, delivering exceptional value and performance for years to come. Number 5. Verber Car Lift, a top contender among the best 4-post car lifts for home garages. Built from high-grade Q235B carbon steel, this portable lift boasts a substantial 7,000 pounds weight capacity, ensuring sturdy support for a variety of vehicles including trucks and SUVs. Its 11-inch extension plates expand the contact area, accommodating long-wheelbase vehicles with stability on flat, solid surfaces. Adjusting the lifting height is effortless with its 4 adjustable columns, offering a range from 10.24 inch to 26.8, complemented by rubber-padded lifting pads for secure grip and slip resistance during maintenance tasks. Safety is paramount with mechanical safety locks that hold the vehicle securely at the desired height, preventing any unintended movements. Mobility is made easy thanks to high-strength nylon pulleys, while its foldable design facilitates convenient storage when not in use, ideal for maximizing garage space. The comprehensive set of accessories included, such as rubber pads, hoses, extension plates, and handles, ensures a hassle-free setup and versatile usage right out of the box. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable car lift, the Verber Car Lift stands out for its robust construction, adjustable features, and enhanced safety measures, making it an excellent addition to any home garage setup. In conclusion, selecting the best car storage lift for your home garage can significantly enhance your storage capacity and convenience. Whether you prioritize space efficiency, ease of use, or lifting capacity, there's a lift suited to your needs. Remember to consider factors like safety features and installation requirements before making your choice. Investing in a quality lift ensures both practicality and peace of mind for your vehicle storage needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video to stay updated with more informative content on home garage improvements.